The world of money has developed into one that is considerably simpler. In the modern world, working from home while utilizing a phone is simple. While some people might be far along with the setup, others might still be gathering their bearings and searching for the ideal strategy. This is going to be a big day for you because in today's video, I'm going to show you the most recent money-making method I discovered, which can earn you up to $750 every day. What the catch is with a scheme like this, you might be asking. The truth is that there isn't one, and this tactic was developed specifically for your advantage because it is, first and foremost, free. You are protected since you won't have to make any out-of-the-pocket payments. It is accessible to everyone on the earth. Second. Third, you don't need to buy expensive equipment because you can use any device you have, because all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Last but not least, anyone in the world may apply this strategy, regardless of technical proficiency or prior experience, making it perfect for novices like you who are just getting started in the money-making sector. All you need to do to avoid confusion is to watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Digistore24.com is the first website I wanted to visit right now. Since this website is quite popular, and I believe you have already seen it in one of my movies on my channel, you presumably already know what it is all about. Despite the fact that we may be using a well-known website, the entire procedure is fresh out of the oven. Digistore24 is an online sale platform that contains an integrated web store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. If you're new to my channel or don't know what it is, let me explain. In conclusion, this is where you will tell your friends and acquaintances about some fantastic Digistore products. This will therefore enable you to quickly earn significant sums of money by performing an easy task like going for a quick stroll in the park. Anyhow, you are free to browse the entirety of this page since everything is so clear and outlined. You should feel free to poke about and satisfy your own curiosities. Everything is in working order. You can move on to the following steps straight away if you believe you have all the information you require. I want you to click this in the top right corner of the website to go to the marketplace. After clicking there, you'll be taken to a new page where you may explore the site and look through hundreds or even thousands of items you can market online. As you can see right here, they even provide a range of categories where you can freely choose the product that you want to promote. You can be confident that this platform has a ton of potential because they offer items for animals and pets, vetting systems, business, investing, and so much more. I haven't even scratched the surface of the list. That being said, if you have a lot of free time, there is no limit to how much money you can make because you can advertise as many products as you like. Nothing prevents you from going all out and spending a lot more time and energy promoting 2 or more products. By doing this, you can dramatically increase your earnings and possibly even reach $1,000 or more. Make sure to balance your expectations with your workload because it all depends on how you approach the situation as a whole. Anyway, let's scroll through the market. The marketplace products are by default arranged according to their US dollar sales ranking. This means that the main elements in this document that you are free to advertise are all included on the first page. Look at the first one, Kora 150, which is for sale with 85% comms, but what does that mean? You can get more details about the product right here. 85% comms indicates that you may get a commission of a huge 85% of the price that you're selling the product for. This is a major issue because most affiliate goods only provide their employees 50% or less in commission revenue. But with Kora, you can virtually get the full amount. Consider yourself lucky that you're even watching this video right now, since the average profits that you can get from promoting this product is put at a high sum of about $158, which is really insane. In light of this, let's explore the page to find other products rather than stopping at one box. The second item in line is the ideal keto meal plan. Similar to Medicor, you can get a substantial commission income of 85% for the cost of the original product. With this product, you can expect to make about $41 on average. By the way, by looking at the statistics information, which includes the pricing, cart visitors, and vendor, you can find out more about the product. The date the item was posted, which signified the beginning of sale, can also be seen. The perfect keto meal plan was posted roughly 2 years ago. Additionally, you may monitor the charging type, sales, rank card, conversion, and cancellation rate. Reviewing the statistics right away is essential if you want to know what to anticipate as you focus your efforts on promoting this product. You can't just pursue work blindly without understanding the dangers and rewards. Therefore, it's best to choose product that meets your needs so you can achieve your objectives and ultimately everything will be worthwhile. Now that we've covered everything, your task is to generate and direct traffic in order to advertise your good to as many people as possible. You can start by introducing your family, friends, co-workers, or anybody else you know. But in order to maximize your potential and earn as much money as you can, you're going to need all the assistance you can get. Let's try advertising our items to online strangers. Let's go to Kora.com website. The largest forum for online thread debates in the world is this website, which explains its popularity. Millions of people from all around the world have posted millions of topics, inquiries, and conversations on this website regarding various themes. Kora is the best location for you to offer your expertise about the Digistore 24 goods because you can find just about everything there. Let's assume that you can choose Medicor, the first product with the highest sales rank. A product called Medicor is made for people who desire to get healthier and lose weight. Now that you know what your goal is for today, head over to Kora and use the search box to look up articles about weight loss. Once you've done that, you may view a ton of results connected to your search items. Simply choose one that pictures your curiosity and click on it. Your next task is to spread the word about the new product that you just learned about. Include your affiliate link at the end of your post so that readers may visit Digistore 24 and buy the product after reading all about its advantages for losing weight quickly. As a quick hint, make sure to word your response such as that it comes off as though you genuinely want to assist others with their problems. People will view you as trustworthy and be more likely to click on your link if you do that. You can earn money quickly and easily, like snapping your fingers with only a few clicks, scrolls, and keystrokes, and not just a little bit, but a whopping $968 every single day. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming videos, and I'll see you there.